You're now ready to add questions to your form. And the first question I always ask is first name, and then I'm going to go down here to this little icon that says duplicate, and I'm going to add last name. The reason why I do this is because I'm going to be looking in a Google Sheet for the responses to what students respond to in this form. And for sorting purposes, first and last name really are going to help me when it comes to grading. The next question I'm going to add, and if you go over here to where it says add question, so I'm going to add a period number. I happen to be a high school teacher. For elementary school teachers, this may not be an issue, but I always add period number. And then I'm going to put in my options, and notice over here it's giving me a multiple choice for period 3, 4, 5, because I might have 3 of the same class, and then I can look at all of them in one sheet. At that point, I'm going to begin adding my questions, and this happens to be a homework assignment to reflect on what we had done today. So I'm actually going to add in here a section. I'm going to break up this form a little bit from the basic info into another section, and I'm going to call it reflection. And then I'm going to add a question. My question is going to be reflection. I'm going to add down here at these 3 dots, or the menu for this question, I'm going to add a description, and that's really where my question is going to be, which is, what was the most interesting thing you learned? Explain. I do this because in the Google Sheet, when your question goes in, if you type a long question, it's going to create a lot of confusion in your sheet when you're going through looking at student responses. It's just simplifying the title of the question and then adding the question. So this is my question, and my only question for the homework assignment here that I'm going to be giving my students. And now I'm finished. How I send it to them is I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to go over to my link, copy the link, and then I'm going to put that link wherever I need to. I can also shorten the URL right here. So if I want to put that in Google Classroom, I can put that in Google Classroom. If I want to put that on my website, I can put that on my website. If I want to put that within a HyperDoc, I can put that within a HyperDoc.